As such, I don't see anywhere wherein I have faced discrimination, but of course the fact still prevails that to some extent in India, male dominance does come into picture. But working with Expansion, I'm really proud of to give this as an input to all my colleagues, and there was never an instance wherein I really felt disrespected. I think that's the most important thing any woman would love to work with. Self-respect is the most important thing, and I really cherish that in Expansion.
In my experience, I have seen women holding themselves back. The challenge is to have or to ensure a work-life balance.
I have an experience wherein there's an apprehension across industry that women cannot be considered when it comes to challenging role which require a lot of travel, working extended hours, or working out of different development centers.
Generally, I have seen that whenever it comes to a woman, if any women employee is going to join any organization, some of the pre-assumptions come along with the women. Okay, she is the women employee, and if she is going to join, so she will be leaving early, she will be not, involving too much in the discussions, she will not be technical strong, kind of pre-assumptions comes with that.
In terms of competencies and emotional intelligence, I feel women are somebody who are much more superior and more capable of taking up challenging tasks.
So if I have to share my experience at Expansion while working with technology and innovation, it has been simply a great journey.
While designing a job role at Expansion, we don't go with such biasness and always believe in hiring people who are talented and have potential with right passion and attitude, irrespective of gender, race, religion, language and geography.
Coming from technical background, I had apprehensions if I would get similar work. But throughout in my career with Expansion, I have been afforded with opportunities where I could learn, innovate and deliver technically capable projects.
I would like to share one incident that was personal to me. One of my relatives used to ask me, you are doing your college things, so why you want to pursue job? But I was stick to the plan. I've seen other women who are not working and they are facing so many issues in their life, so I wanted to be an independent woman. So I stick to that point and I am now a working woman.
Striking a balance between professional and personal life is a challenge. So how Expansion helps me overcome this is they give me flexible working hours. So being a parent of 2 kids, and I've recently joined from maternity, so this was very crucial to me to continue with my career. So when I go back home in the midday and when my children see me, they are very happy. I'm also happy at the same time because I can do justice to my career.
So Expansion has always supported me to pursue my other interest areas. Work culture here is really good.
However, I'm proud to inform that in Expansion, we are very much employee focused to ensure that the safety and the security of the employees are very well taken care of.
With equality in every domain, I rise, she rise.
As a woman, never ignored, I rise, she rise.
Balancing my life while at workplace so fine. I rise, she rise.
Expansion is the best place for women to work at. So I rise, she rise.
With equality in power, women they empower. I rise, she rise.
With equal opportunity to learn, create and excel, I rise, she rise.
I rise, she rise.